about at the end, she would have been finished for little things like missing a day or something. You know, they go to extending or whatever. You know, but she messed around and.
She need to take that stuff seriously and quit drinking. So she might want to be in an environment where she can quit and stop, because she seemed to be proud of herself a few days ago when she called me up and said she ain't had nothing to drink and ain't smoked nothing in 2 days. She seemed to be happy about that.
Vince, I think she is me.
I went on, she came on over. I went on, gave her 10 bucks to go to the store with the stuff.
That's the thing. She
run on
the game she run on us and get us feeling good and get our money.
Well, it sounded like she hadn't had nothing in a couple of days.
And get our money. That's what she do.
I got 2 of them. I done got rid of that one. I done got rid of yours. Yours belong to you by yourself.
I'm going to send them back to you. Gotta come hang out with Vince.
That ain't gonna work.
He a working man now.
Alright.
Like I told my neighbor, them women are gonna find out you working now. Oh, you working at Fort Benning painting out there. I said, they're gonna be coming to see you. And you don't know what you be doing, giving away stuff, buying stuff.
My mom live right there.
Yeah, right there. She told me your mom live there. Come through here.
See how big that house is? I put a roof on it. So you don't think a woman like Mary G can have a crush on a man like me?
I think it's all in your head. The woman just probably have a working relationship with you, look at you as a friend, took you out to McDonald's, bought you a hamburger or something, and your head swell up.
Yeah, that chick tried to marry me.
Tried to marry you.
Ask me.
Yeah.
She likes the things that I can do. A real estate broker with a lot of property. If you had a husband that can do the things that I can do, everything.
Where her husband was?
She divorced him and she had to pay him alimony. That's how much money she had to pay him alimony.
Yeah, had to pay.
She increased his standards of living. So when they divorced, you know, he had grown accustomed to living that way, so she had to pay him alimony. They got a daughter together. Owns most of that stuff up there in East Highlands. A lot of stuff up there. When I came back to Columbus, man, she built that castle out there on Steam Mill. Had me all up in there.
What castle?
In front of that Steam Mill grocery store.
Oh, I'm talking about that little place over there with the house in the back?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, cause back in the day, there was a church there, what's his name? Postel, across the street from Crystal, that big old church over there. When I was at Fort Benning, he was
not Crystal, on Steam Mill Road.
That's what I'm talking
down
about.
The tap room on down.
Yeah, that castle, all that.
Yeah.
There, years ago, I went there for a few times. It was a guy renting a house or something. They had a church in there, Pastor Postel. Now he bishop. That big church crossed from Crystal's on Buena Vista. Yeah. Over there.
I don't remember it being a church.
Yeah.
He was out of town for a long time.
Yeah, he was.
When I got back in town, back here, man, that girl just gave me a red Benz. I want you to try this. I want you to this and this. Her daughter told me that girl used to talk about me every day when I was gone. She married another guy named Crook. You know, after I was gone for so long. And when I got back, she kicked his ass out and changed the locks off.
Oh boy, got a man here. You're behind daydreaming. And she found out that you love Margarita more than you love her.
No, this is man. In the last 7 years, I hadn't talked to her in about 3-4 years now. But before that, I hadn't spoken to her in about 10 years. But I'm pretty sure she, Mr.